Hello, so what we will be learning today is how to play B flat, C, D, E flat, and F. So let's start with F. So the first thing we're going to do is for F, we're going to have our thumb on the back bottom, have all three of our fingers down on the top half of the flute, have our index finger down, and our pinky down for F. And it should sound like this. Awesome. So now we will be moving on to E flat. And for E flat, what we will do is actually drop these bottom two that have been hanging up and lift our front index finger. And this is what that will sound like. And now we will be moving on to D. And for D, you will have both still the same position as E flat, except you will actually lift your pinky and you will drop your first index finger, and it'll sound like this. Now, to play C, we will add the pinky again, except this time lift all three of our fingers, and on this half, we will lift our two fingers, have our index finger still down, and even though the thumb has been down this whole time, we will actually be lifting it. So the only two notes we will be playing is for the pinky and for our index finger. And then the last note that we have is B flat. And for B flat, what we will do is actually add the thumb and the index finger and keep the same positioning as Z. So it'll look and sound like this. So now, let's go over this again. So with B flat, we have this. The bottom index finger on the first of the three bottom keys with our pinky. And on the top half, we have our thumb on the bottom thumb press and first index finger. For C, lift and lift thumb. For D, dropping down, adding the thumb again, releasing the pinky though. For E, adding the pinky, releasing first finger. And finally for F again, we will add the index finger again and release these bottom two, still with the pinky though. Index finger still intact and thumb still intact. Awesome.